That vivid blue is not paint. It is produced entirely by the structure of the feathers, not pigment. The black-naped monarch is one of the most electrically blue birds in all of Asia, and it defends its tiny nest with fearless aggression. This fox cub is born completely blind and deaf, yet within weeks, it begins learning to hunt through play. Adult foxes can hear a mouse moving under a full meter of snow. Those ears miss absolutely nothing. The giant African snail has more teeth than any animal on Earth, over 14,000 microscopic teeth on its tongue, used to scrape and grind food. It moves slowly, but nothing escapes those teeth. This tiny beetle eats up to 5,000 aphids every single year, making it one of the most valuable insects for farmers on Earth. And when threatened, it releases toxic blood from its legs to poison predators. The Arctic hare survives in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius, with no shelter, no hibernation. Its fur turns pure white in winter, and its body slows down to conserve heat. Built by nature to outlast the cold. The Roe deer has a biological superpower. It can pause its own pregnancy for up to 5 months, waiting for the perfect season to give birth. It is one of the only mammals on Earth capable of doing this. Every single morning, the ring-tailed lemur faces the sun and spreads its arms wide, sunbathing to warm up after cold Madagascar nights. They also fight rivals, using scent on their tails instead of claws. The long-tailed macaque is one of the very few animals on Earth that uses tools. It selects specific stones to crack open shellfish and hard-shelled nuts, a skill it teaches directly to its young. The bald eagle can spot a rabbit from over 3 kilometers away. Its vision is 8 times sharper than a human's. And when it dives, it hits 160 kilometers per hour. America didn't choose this bird by accident. The Rufous-necked Hornbill does something extraordinary. The male seals his mate inside a hollow tree with mud, leaving only a tiny slit. He feeds her through this hole for weeks until the eggs hatch. This tiny insect weighs less than a raindrop, yet is responsible for 1 in every 3 bites of food humans eat. Without the honeybee, most of the world's crops would simply collapse. The black bear's sense of smell is 7 times more powerful than a bloodhound and over 2,000 times stronger than a human. It can detect food from 32 kilometers away. Nothing in the forest stays hidden from it. The male lion gets all the glory, but it's the lioness that does 90% of the hunting. Faster, more agile, and far more strategic, she feeds the entire pride, while the male simply waits.